Ofisini cia munini wa komishona tauni-ini ya Keno nikuo minista wa githomo George Magoha arokire guthurima mihango ya kuhingurwo kwa igeranio ici na haha atitirithia ati thirikari iri na ngari njiganu cia gukua igeranio na kuitwara macukuru mothe nginyagia ma andu kiumbe.
This is a public exam which is being executed by government, and therefore the transport must be public. I don't want to hear the noise I'm hearing that can we use private transport. The answer is no.
Mwerekero uria macukuru mararutĩirwo ni president kiumia githiru wa gukanja mathomo irathi-ini makohaugite ona macukuru kiumbe maria mari rungu rwa mutaratara wa githomo wa mabũrũri mangi matibatie gukorwo na arutwo maraikarĩra igeranio ingi o tiga cia kurugia arutwo kirathi-ini kiu kingi.
End of term examinations are not examinations. They are not certifiable examinations. I know that there are a few schools who will want to say that, oh, in this country. No. Equate what you are doing with KCSE and KCP. If it doesn't fall into that one, then the children must stay at home until His Excellency the President pronounces himself again.
Murugamiriri wa kanji wa igeranio John Onsati uria nake utongoretie mihango ta ino mwena wa Naivasha arauga gukinyiria riu gutiri riboti yandikithitio ya wici wa kigeranio na mitaratara ya kuhurana na gutamba gwa COVID-19 ni irathingatwo.
Because the officers that we are having, the center managers, the security team have played in the past. They have carried out this exercise. And that is exactly what I've reminded them.
CAS wa githomo Hassan Nur augite wa bata ni kumenyererwo kwa arutwo aria maraikarira kigeranio gia KCSE na njira ya gutigirira mawatho ma gwikira mask, kuraihaniriria murutwo no ri ungi, gwithamba moko mbere na thutha wa kigeranio ni mathingatwo.
We have also encouraged and advised the security officers and the Ministry of Education staff who are manning examinations to take the vaccines as quickly as possible.
Nur ariirie kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kuria thurimite mihango ya uheani wa maratathi maigeranio kuri macukuru ma kaunti ino. Arutwo maraikarira kigeranio kia mathabu na chemistry ari muthi wa keri wa kigeranio giki. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige wa Nyamu.